cabinets are in place, and it's time for the countertops. Let's be honest. Who doesn't love a countertop reveal, people? Come on.
I love those countertops, and I love that we chose to run the countertops up into the backsplash.
What was really impressive was they were able to match the veins in the countertop into the backsplash. So it's all one continuous vein.
And it's like a piece of art.
Mm-hmm.
You walk into that kitchen and it's stunning. From the sunroom, you enter into the kitchen, and they tie together so beautifully. And it really does set the tone for the rest of the house.
Absolutely.